Hey there, tech fans! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're putting the 14 portable dual monitor from WillsView to the test. This little guy has been making waves in the productivity space, and I'm excited to share my honest thoughts on whether it's worth the hype. So, what makes this monitor so special? First off, let's talk about the display itself. We've got a beautiful 14-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 and a 16:10 screen ratio. That means you'll get sharp details and vivid colors, perfect for tasks like graphic design or gaming. But here's the thing, that brightness is no joke. At 300 candelas per square meter, this monitor can shine bright even in the brightest of environments. And with an impressive 1500:1 contrast ratio, you can expect rich blacks and a more immersive viewing experience. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, what's the big deal about a few extra pixels? Well, let me tell you, this monitor is all about flexibility. With its dual screen setup, you can turn your single laptop into a flexible triple screen monitor. Imagine being able to have multiple tabs open at once, or having a dedicated screen for video editing or gaming. It's like having a productivity superpower right on your desk. But what really sets this monitor apart is its compatibility. This little guy will work seamlessly with March 13th, 16-inch laptops, as well as PlayStation consoles and digital cameras. That means you can take it on the go or use it in the office, wherever you need to get stuff done. Now, let's talk about ease of use. The interface is sleek and intuitive, with features like Mini H/D and Type-C video input ports, plus a convenient pulsator button for adjusting brightness and contrast. I love that this monitor has made brightness, contrast, and other settings simple and accessible, no more complicated menu systems to confuse you. But what about portability? The 14 portable dual monitor comes with a gorgeous folding leather case that doubles as both a protective cover and a stand. You can adjust the viewing angle freely for comfortable use, making it perfect for mobile office work or business trips. In terms of energy efficiency, I'm happy to report that this monitor is relatively power-hungry. But hey, if you're working from home or need a screen for gaming sessions, who's complaining? With WillsView's commitment to reliable quality and practical productivity, I know you'll be getting the best out of your investment. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the 14 portable dual monitor. From its impressive display to its flexible design and versatility, this little guy has got it all. If you're looking for a monitor that will take your productivity game to the next level, look no further. Want to get your hands on one of these incredible monitors? Head over to WillsView's store page by clicking the link below. Trust me, you won't regret it.